We gotta go drive a 2,000 horsepower twin turbo underground racing SVJ. Good morning.
Morning.
How scary is it driving this in the rain, bro?
Imagine driving on ice with like metal wheels.
Yeah.
Made it safe and sound. A little wet. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little wet. Wait, what? That's our ride to the airport.
Where are we going?
We don't maintain this. We let Johnny work on this thing.
Oh,
Not
All right, we're taking the limo. This is crazy.
Come on. Ain't nobody coming, I've been gunning from 100 yards, trying to hit my mark, missing every time. This will be the start of the picture perfect. Watch you I got plans, stack 100 bands, people in the stands, and they fans singing every song. And they
We made it. Another successful flight. We made it to this side of the airport. Nailed it, bro. Another good one.
I'm ahead now. Second bread, cut the over.
This is what we're taking to the airport, down the highway.
Oh, nice.
Kill them all, regret what I did. But as a man, I'ma make it. Only regret if I quit. Only regret if I stop. And I can never be bought. So I ain't checking for labels less I'm controlling the pot. I mean, I own all my masters and plus my publishing too.
Planes, trains, and automobiles. 20 minutes from boarding our plane, and we still have this side of the airport to make it through. At least we made it, boys. Cheers. Cheers. And touchdown. Take care. How was your flight?
Oh, it was great.
Welcome back to LA.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, homie. You don't get to fly the plane anymore. That's a long flight.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
5 hours.
Coast to coast.
Yep. Florida coast, right to the Cali coast. Coffee and or Red Bull and or both. Look what we got here. Oh, we got the prospect. What up, brother?
All right, buddy. What's in it?
Oh. Hot and energized. I like how we get sugar-free Red Bull, but then we can do. It would be the most insane, most expensive build we would have ever done. Every time he gets a new watch.
I'm excited.
So f***ing lifted.
There it is.
Yo. Oh my God. Your timing is impeccable. Like, I didn't even know you were out. Dude, look at this thing.
I don't wanna be rude, but I don't give a damn about you one bit. And I think you used to have it all. Funny how the tables turn around. You check it for me on the internet, I know you